Mark II, outside of lab. More deceased here. I have a visual on the tower. Before executing the objectives, I need to verify if this is really the Echo. Shit! Sorry, buddy.
Will?
Abby?
Oh my God, Will!
What happened?
We thought you were dead. Where are you? We'll come and get you.
Wait, Abby, I need to know what happened.
Where have you been? The lab was attacked, Will. The box was destroyed. We moved to a camp on the outside of
Wait, back up. What'd you say about the box?
I said they destroyed the box.
Destroyed? How? Who's they?
They shut the place up, Will. I saw it.
Are you sure the box was destroyed?
I'm sending you our coordinates.